Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will discuss how to run different forms in one panel using Visual Basic.net. Okay, so this is an example of form that contains panel to display different forms. For example, clicking this employee tab, my form 1 will be displayed on the panel. Then we have another tab, students button, to display my second form. And for the courses button, my third form will be displayed. Okay. So let me show you how to do this step by step. Okay, let's start. Okay, so as you can see, I already created new project using Visual Basic in Visual Studio 2019. So I have here multi-forms one panel project that contains 4 forms. So this is my form 1, FRM employee. It's all about employees record. My second form, students records. And for my third form, it's all about list of courses. Okay. So to display these 3 forms in one panel, so I have here my fourth form. This is my form that has panel container to display these 3 forms. Okay. So let me show you how to create this step by step. Okay, let's start. So let us now add new form. So by click now your project. So let us now add new form on this project. So click your project's name, then right click your mouse, click add here, and then choose Windows form. Okay, let us now rename this form to FRM panel display. Then click now add. Okay, so we have now our new form. So this is my new form. Let us resize this form. Okay, now let us add, as you can see. So we have 2 panel here. So the first panel is for your menu list or buttons. Okay, to execute each form on the second panel. Okay. So let's start with the left button or left panel. So to add your panel from your toolbox containers group here, so click panel and then add left. So we can add panel here on the left side of your form. Okay, so this is now our first panel. Okay, so let us change the dock now from your properties window. On the layout, under the layout, we have dock. Click now left. Okay, then you can resize your panel. So let us now add background color for this panel. So we have back color. So let us choose other color. So let us choose other color to distinguish our new form. with the existing form. Okay. So we can use, I think this is better. Okay. So let us now add controls to this panel. If you want to display your logo or picture, you can add logo here on top of your panel. So let us now add picture box. Okay. And choose image. So we can select from your computer, local resource, click import. Okay, then click your image. Click OK. So for the size mode, change this to stretch image. Okay. So this is now my logo. So you can resize your picture box. Okay, so let us now add 4 buttons to execute our forms. Okay, so button 1, this is for our form 1. So let us now rename this BTN form 1. Okay. And then since our form 1 is all about employee, so let us change the text to employees. Okay. So change font now. Can make it bold. Okay. And then you can remove the border line of this button. Go to flat appearance, border size, make it 0. Okay. Then for the flat style, click now flat. So this is now our first button to display our form 1. Okay. So let us now copy this. So we need okay, so we need 4 buttons here. Okay, then let us change this. So let us change our second button. The name is BTN Form 2. Then change the text to students because our second form is all about students. Okay, for our third button, let's rename BTN Form 3. Change the text to courses to display our third form, which is list of courses. Okay, and then for our fourth button, this is for our exit button. So type BTN exit. And then type now text exit. Okay. Okay, let us now add our second panel on the right side of the form. So from containers group, click now panel. Then let us add your second panel. Okay. So change the panel dock to, so from the layout group, we have the dock here. So our second panel is, we have to choose the fill, which is the center, to fill the remaining space of our form. Okay, so you can also change the back color. Okay, and then, so let us rename this panel to panel display. So this second panel, we have the name panel display. So let us lock also. You can also lock this panel so that it is not resizable. Okay, let us now add code for each button so that it is executable. So for first button, which is employee button, okay, so double click now your button to add code. Okay, so first code is, let us clear our panel display first. So panel controls dot clear. Okay, then we have, since this button is to display our first form, which is FRM employee. So choose now FRM employee, the top level is equals to false. Then let us now add this form to panel display. So panel display dot controls dot add. Okay, we'll add the form, which is FRM employee. Okay, so we will add this form to our panel display. Okay, then show now FRM employee. Okay, we have now our second button, which is students button. So let us also add code for this button. Since same code, so let us now copy your code that you have typed on your first button, then click paste. And then all you have to do is to change your form's name to your second form, which is FRM second. Okay, so our FRM employee, so replace this with FRM second. Okay, so FRM second. Okay, add the FRM second to panel display. Then let us now show this form. Okay, FRM second. Okay. So for our third tab, which is courses, so same procedure. So double click and then copy the code for your third form and replace new form name, which is FRM third, top level equals to false. Let us now add this form to our panel display, which is FRM third. Okay, so also change this to FRM third. So you have the shoe. Okay, And the last button, we have the exit button. So double click here, button exit, simply type me.close to close the current form. Okay, so let us now test. So let us run this form, our new form, panel display. Okay. So click your project's name, right click, then choose properties. Okay, let us run the new form, which is form panel display. Okay, the start up form is panel display, then click now run. Okay, this is now the running form. Let us test. Click employees tab. So your first form will be displayed. Click close. Then I have here students record. For my second form, then we have courses tab. Okay. Okay, then exit. Thank you. See you to my next video.